CPR cell phone repair is a little bit of a misnomer because we do repair cell phones. That's our main business. But we also repair computers, tablets, game systems. We've had a television or two come through. Main core business is repairing cell phones. And the most common repair there is broken screens. It has been for the last 7 years that we've been here. But we also do other repairs on phones and other devices. We do charge ports, we do cameras, we do volume up button doesn't work, signal issues, and we can go really deep into a phone. We can fix chips on the board. Phones have an audio issue. We can actually replace the audio IC chip. We can go down to charging chips on the board. Those take a little longer than your average screen repair. So we do offer some unique repairs here at CPR. I think that the HDMI port on game systems is fairly unique. I'm not sure if there are other people in Winston that offer that service. But we also do go deep into a phone. We go from the screen and the simple kind of surface repairs that are just unscrew this and rescrew this, down into the charge ports and cameras, volume, power buttons. We also go all the way down to board level repairs, which is a unique service that we can offer here in Winston-Salem. We also, as a group, as CPR Cell Phone Repair, we offer a lifetime nationwide warranty on our repairs. It covers any kind of defect in workmanship or material, and it's covered nationwide. So we get the benefits of the small locally owned business here at Thruway, as well as those of a 800 plus store national chain. And that is that's something that most local companies can't offer, is a nationwide warranty. Rather unique offering is the breadth of our offering. We talked a little bit about the depth, but we repair every make and model of cell phone. There are some that is honestly better just to get another phone, and we'll tell you that. But we fix all the brands. I know a lot of competitors here in town will fix an iPhone only, or Apple only, and maybe Samsung only. But we do repair all makes and models of phones and tablets and games. And that's different from most of our competitors. In addition to repairing devices, we also offer a line of accessories. Most of our accessories are geared towards protecting the device. We offer cases, we offer Zag Invisible Shield screen protectors, we offer charge sync cables, chargers from Qmatics, and all of these also have a lifetime warranty, just like our repairs. So if there's a defect, if you crack it, or if a cable unravels, we'll replace it for you for free, as long as you own that device. We also have some fun accessories. We have the pop sockets that people like a lot, that help them stick on the back of their phone. We offer earbuds, Bluetooth speakers. So we have fun accessories. Well, most are geared towards maintenance and protection of your phone. We do offer some fun accessories as well. We also carry an assortment of, believe it or not, recyclable, compostable cases. They're mostly for newer iPhones, but we have two different makes. They're $39.99. They're great cases. And I think in today's world where plastics are becoming more and more of a problem, it's a great alternative for those who are concerned about the environment.